Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? We should go away by a naughty rain. We should stay away. So then we stay away from the rain. I have to find a place to hide. Or maybe not. We should go inside. I have to get away. Oh, that's not good. Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? We should go away by a naughty rain. We should stay away. I have to find out where is the hiding spot. I have to get away. I need to find somebody can help me. I will try my best as I can, or maybe not. I should get away from the rain. I will get away. Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? By a naughty rain, we should stay away. Maybe not, we should get away from the raining. We should use a umbrella, or I have to use a shade to get away from the raining. The raining. The raining. Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? Why is it so raining? By a naughty rain. We should stay away.